Time once again for The Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, in from the beautiful weather we've been having the last several days. Guys, it's great to see you.
Gorgeous. We're going to have another bang-up weekend?
Well, so far so good, looking ahead. Because we're in kind of a dry
right.
pattern here, so the good weather's continuing, but we have a situation that's very complicated for our question tonight on The Law and You. This is from Robert in West Wyoming. He says basically his ex-wife and he have been divorced for 6 years, and now he's hoping to get a house with his fiancé in the near future. Is there any other way than her basically rebuying the house, which won't happen because her credit isn't good enough to take out a new loan, to get my name off the mortgage so I can start rebuilding my credit and start planning for the future, because right now I feel like she's holding my future in her hands? A long question here from Robert.
Yeah.
What can you guys break this down
So,
to?
Robert, one of the things that you really didn't specify in your question was, is your divorce final? If your divorce is not final yet, then what you can potentially do is, as a part of that final divorce decree, make it a part of that decree that your wife has to buy you out of the house. Now, if you're already divorced and this is an ongoing situation, I don't know if there's any way he can get out of it. I mean, he really can't force his sale if it's already post decree.
No, and that's the problem.
Yeah.
And again, the way the question came in, I think it was he's divorced and he's got to deal with this. The problem is you're stuck on that until you can actually get her off that mortgage, and if her credit's bad, you're tied to that. So I think the best thing she can do is, if she can get it refinanced and purchased from you, that'll get you off. If not, you better pay attention to make sure all the payments are made, or even assume them and try to get them back from her some way, just to keep it, because it's still in your name. So you're responsible. So that's your biggest problem.
And I know if this is a family law situation, which it may be, you do have some great referrals.
Yeah, we don't deal with it. Just give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com. We have a bunch of guys we work with.
And I don't even know if it's post-divorce, it really isn't a family law situation anymore. It might be might be a real estate type of question.
True.
That we don't do real estate either, but you have a complicated situation. Yeah, banking. I mean, we could certainly steer you in the right direction, but Greg's right on the aspect of don't fall asleep at the switch here. This is important.
All right, if you were stuck in a scenario you don't know what to do with, how can our viewers get your legal help?
Just give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page, and if you have a ultra complicated question, put it on our Facebook page. We'll do our best to answer.
We don't run from any question.
We
answer
don't.
them all.
We don't.
They take everything they get here at The Law and You. All right, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you next time. PAHomepage.com and The Law and You hotline are always open.